PEG Capital Partners is the investment management arm of PEG companies.
It's where we evaluate projects and decide if we're going to move forward with them.
PEG Capital Partners is comprised of investment management, asset management, fund management, and the capital markets group.
This is the select service and extended stay.
The investment management team sources out the deals, and then they conduct all the underwriting and due diligence, and they're the ones that pursue the investment strategies that PEG is involved with.
When's the next PIP due for this hotel?
The asset management group then takes on those assets and they manage them and ensure that there's good cash flow, good returns for the investors through to disposition.
So aren't we already leased up there?
Then you've got the fund management team that looks at the fund investments as a whole, and then the capital markets team, they truly are the liaison between the investors and PEG's various investment offerings.
Jason, how are you?
We also utilize the teams that we have internally. So we go to our property management team and say, what could you operate this property at? Then we go to our construction team and say, what would it cost us to build this project? We also go to our development team and understand what's the entitlement risk here if there's entitlement risk. So we combine the expertise of all these teams to create a holistic project that minimizes risk for the investor.
And that one's more of a long-term strategy of really just refi, coupon clipping.
Love it.
Okay.
As an investor, you're basically a partner with those with whom you invest. And the thing that makes the difference with PEG is they honor that and respect that relationship.
Investors should expect full access to the investment team. They should be able to expect transparency around their returns. We want to ensure that they understand what's going on based on the different market drivers.
We work with our property managers and the regional managers to make sure that they understand the fixed costs of an asset like real estate taxes and insurance, as well as the debt structure. Because it's really important that as our eyes and ears and hands at the property, they understand the cash flow needs to cover these fixed costs.
Anytime something changes, anytime there's an adjustment or a shift, opportunities become apparent. How we navigate that and how we think about that will be impactful for us over the next few years.
I think it's been probably 10 years now. We've had great success with PEG, so we double down with PEG. We get diversity across the asset within PEG, and they've proven to honor that trust and respect that trust, and that's one of their hallmarks, I think.